In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the Hill Climb Racing mod menu, latest version, fully working on both iOS and Android devices. This method gives you access to all in-game features, including unlimited coins and gems with support for Android and iOS. As you can see on the screen, the mod menu includes powerful options such as all cars unlocked, unlimited coins and gems, always win races, maximum vehicle upgrades, and many more advanced features to enhance your gameplay experience. Before we get started, make sure your Hill Climb Racing game is updated to the latest version. To check this, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for the game, and see if an update is available. If your game is already up to date, you're ready to proceed. Next, scroll down and head over to the pinned comment below this video. There, you'll find step-by-step instructions explaining exactly where and how to get Hill Climb Racing++. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.